In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your Android phone. So I'm going to show you how to require a PIN code in order to open up an app on your phone. Now, all you need to do is go and open up the Play Store. Using the search box, go and type in app lock and then you can press search. You then need to scroll down until you see this app here called app lock. Go and click on this. You can then press install and give that a few seconds while it installs to your phone. You'll then need to click on the blue open button. Make sure to allow the notifications and then you can press start. You can then click on the keypad over in the top right hand side and you can create a PIN code combination. Once you've entered your code, click on the tick icon in the bottom left hand side. You'll then just need to go and confirm your code and you can click on the tick icon once again. You'll then have an option to enter an email address in case you forget the passcode. Now this is optional, so I'm just going to press finish. Now in order to lock an app, just go and click on the lock icon next to the app that you want to lock. You can then click on allow at the top and make sure to go and allow app lock. You'll also need to do the same for this bottom option as well. Make sure to click allow. And then you can go and click on this lock icon once again. So now if you head back over to your home screen, you can then try opening up that specific app. And as you can see, it's now locked and it will require the passcode in order to unlock the app.